This was the second meeting that was held yesterday for disaster management preparedness, and in that meeting was attended by all the departments including PWD, Chief Engineer, WRD, then from municipalities, panchayats, BDOs had attended. So number one point was that we had in all our talukas, we from our control rooms are active 24/7. After that, we also identified the waterlogging prone areas and areas which are prone to landslide, and the list of dilapidated structures, so that and instructions were given to all the panchayats and municipalities and PWD, WRD to take the remedial measures and proactive measures to prevent any untoward incident. And we'll also periodically keep monitoring it also. In fact, in June, I will again have a meeting to follow up on what work has been done and to continuously review on this preparedness.
Regarding this main issue is the tree trimming.
Yes.
There's always a problem. They don't get permissions and this. How effective is this?
So all the deputy collectors have been directed that whenever they receive any complaint or officially it comes to their knowledge, then they should promptly take action, and otherwise also in coordination with panchayat, municipalities and forest department, they should conduct a survey, identify the dangerous trees and do pruning. Through SDRF, 5 lakh fund has been given to all the deputy collectors, and this fund once utilized can be recouped also. Apart from that, fund has been disbursed to CCP, all the municipalities and local bodies also for this particular purpose. In the State Disaster Management Authority meeting that was held, it was directed that even electricity department now some on the poles whichever are dangerous trees, those should also be pruned, and similar directions are also given to fire and emergency services that if deputy collectors are issuing any orders, they also need not wait for the tree to fall down. Promptly before that itself, it should be necessary action should be taken. So we will keep reviewing that so that any kind of loss can be minimized.